everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change passcode on Linen Wallet. To change your passcode on Linen Wallet, the first thing to do is to open the Linen Wallet application. Now log into your Linen Wallet account, and after you are in the main home page, click on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the settings menu, select Change Passcode. On the next page, you will need to enter your current Linen Wallet passcode to continue. After entering your current password, enter the new passcode you would like to set for your wallet. Now, confirm your new passcode once again by typing it down. And you have successfully changed your passcode for Linen Wallet. Now, every time you close off and reopen your Linen Wallet app, you will now need to enter the newly updated passcode to unlock the wallet. So that is it for today's video. That's how you easily change your passcode for a Linen Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.